Hey, what's happening everybody? I'm Joe from Zappos.com. I've got the Lucas Premiere. It's from Adidas Skateboarding. Now, as the name implies, this is Lucas Puig's signature shoe from Adidas. It's got a slim down design, making it perfect for technical skating. You've got a durable leather up front and this mesh material back here around the back panels, keeping it a little more breathable. You can see it does have that slim padding in there, so it's got a nice sleek design. The footbed's removable. Get a little bit of extra cushioning there. Like I said, it's more of a technical shoe, so if you're going big, you probably want to add your own insert in there, which is easy to do. It's got a nice stiffness about it too. It's got flex, but it's got stiff. It's like that perfect medium right there, and it's supposed to maintain that flex throughout the life of the shoe pretty well. The outsole, it's got this deep cut herringbone pattern in there. It's super grippy design. It's just overall really great looking shoe. So if you're in the market for a technical skate shoe, definitely check this guy out. It's from Adidas Skateboarding.